12-year-old boy randomly stabbed a 9-year-old to death and later sought the death penalty in court. However, after learning about his background, the victim's family not only forgave him, but also hoped for his recovery. On a quiet afternoon in August 2014, 12-year-old Jamarian Lawhorn showed up at a playground in Michigan with a knife hidden in his hoodie. Afraid to go back home and consumed by despair, he randomly targeted 9-year-old Connor Verkerka, a boy he had never met before, and stabbed him 6 times in the back as he played on a slide. The horrifying attack shocked the community, but instead of fleeing the scene, Jamarian calmly picked up a phone and called 911. On the recording, he confessed to the stabbing and asked the police to come arrest him. "I just stabbed someone," he said. "I'm fed up with life and want to die. Take me to juvenile for life. Kill me." Lawhorn's defense attorney revealed in court that the boy had been severely mistreated at home for years. He had been beaten with belts, denied food, and raised in a house without electricity or basic hygiene. A medical examination confirmed extensive bruising and signs of long-term malnourishment. The abuse had come from his mother and her boyfriend, who were both later sentenced to prison time for child abuse. Due to his age, the judge handed down a blended sentence. He would remain in a juvenile facility until he turned 21, at which point the court would decide whether to release him or transfer him to adult prison. But the story doesn't end there. Connor's family, especially his grandmother, Toni Nunemaker, chose an extraordinary path. Rather than be consumed by anger, she reached out to Jamarian's mother, Anita Lawhorn. She began driving her to visit Jamarian in detention, and even helped her financially when Anita couldn't afford groceries. Toni later said she could never undo what happened to her grandson, but she could choose how to respond to it, and she chose empathy. "We need more compassion in this world," she said. "Really, who needs more hate?" Was this a fair ruling? Share your thoughts in the comments.